Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alemjo Emmanuel. So today I'll be showing you how to scan your DigiSat, that is D-2025. This decoder is an updated decoder, so I'm going to show you how to scan it. So just follow the steps and we are good to go after this. Okay, so the first step is for you to do is to press your menu button. Now this dashboard is going to be displayed. You are going to see channel, search, system, USB, YouTube. You are going to see YouTube, local, that is the IP. You are going to see apps, YouTube kits. You are going to see Wi-Fi, media and information. So where you need to do your search, you enter into your search, click on OK. You are going to see antenna settings, motor settings, satellite list, TP list. Enter into your antenna settings. After entering there, you have to select the SAT. So go to satellite, click on OK and select the SAT you want to search. Right, I want to use Nightbird, so I'll click on it. Now your LMB needs to be on. Put it on so that it's going to access your 13V and your 18V. Put it on. Now your LMB frequency needs to be on universal 1. Yes, put it on universal 1. Now your port is the port on your DSEC switch. I made a video on that. So there on your DSEC switch is port 2, LMB2. So put it on LMB2 here. Now go to start search. Now select your satellite, press your volume button, and we are to do a blind search, not a TP search. So select blind search and you click on OK. Now something is going to pop up, satellite search. So you have to select the FTA only if yes. So I'm to do FTA scan, so I'm going to select yes. TV/radio all, and I'm going to click now on search. We'll wait for the end product. Yes, so those are the channels that are coming. You can see now the message is going to pop up. Do you want to save? So you have to click on OK to save it. I think, do you want to save? You have to click on OK to save the search. So click on OK. It shows to saving. Please wait. Now you are done searching. So you have to click on your exit button to go and view the channels that has already been searched. So I'm to click on exit and exit. So I'm done searching. Now let's view those channels if there's any additional channel. Let's view them. Yes, those are the additional channels on that satellite that has been added. So those are the channels that has been added just now. So that is how you can scan your FTA decoder. That is how you can scan your V8, your DigiSat D-2025. That is how you can scan it to have your FTA channels. So I hope this video has really helped you to know how to scan DigiSat 2025. So more videos will be coming up. Just if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, just subscribe, and more videos, click on that notification bell and know more videos will be updated very soon.
Please like, share, and subscribe.